Good evening, my respected sir and one and all present over here. My name is Chetan Mehto and I am from Somalwada Khurd near Itarsi. I am learning CSE from Polytechnic College, and with these I am doing spoken classes from Time Care Institute near Sarobar 13th line. My today's topics about my idol. I am talking about Rohit Sharma. He is the captain of India. He was born at Nagpur on 13th April 1987. He was born in lower class family. His parents were not able to take food properly. That was the reason that he came Mumbai with his grandparents for higher studies. Actually, he used to play cricket in his colony where he lived. One day his uncle show him playing cricket. He show the talent of Rohit Sharma and get him admitted in cricket academy. One day when he was playing cricket for his team, a sport teacher was named Mr. Dinesh Lad. Show his performance and requested to his uncle to got him admitted in Vivekanand International School where he was teaching. But because of lack of money, his uncle was not able to pay the fees of Swami Vivekanand. So he denied his request. But Mr. Dinesh Lad requested to his principal to give him admission. His principal accepted the request of Mr. Dinesh Lad and given Rohit Sharma's admission. He played cricket for Swami Vivekanand School. He played cricket as an off spinner and batting at the lower middle order. Due to his aggressive batting, Mr. Dinesh Lad said to him to bat as an opener. After that, he used to bat as an opener for his school team. If we talk about his domestic career, he debuted in 2005 in Devdha Trophy, and he debuted in 2006 in first class cricket against New Zealand. After 1 year, he debuted in Ranji Trophy and scored a double hundred against Gujarat. In the same year, he debuted in international cricket against Ireland in ODI. After 1 to 2 months, he was selected in T20 World Cup team. He scored some crucial runs for team and played a important role for India's victory. After that, he dropped again and again in international team, and he got disappointed when he was not selected in World Cup 2011 team. After that, he worked hard and again was selected in Champions Trophy team where Dhoni insisted him to do open in Champions Trophy. He performed very well in Champions Trophy. On 2013 to November, he scored a first double hundred against Australia and became the third player who scored double hundred in ODI cricket. In the same year, he was appointed as a captain for Mumbai Indians and won the first IPL trophy for Mumbai Indians. He kept on winning trophies till 2019, and on 2020 he won his fifth title as a captain and become the most successful captain in IPL. On November 2014, he scored record 264 runs against Sri Lanka, which is still highest individual score in ODI. He scored his third double hundred against Sri Lanka on December 2017 and become the first player to score three double hundred in ODI. 2019 was the very good year for him because he scored five century in a single World Cup edition, which is highest by any player in ODI tournaments. Overall, he scored 11 century in that year, and he scored highest run by any player, which was 1476. On February 2022, he was appointed as a full-time captain in all three formats for India. Along with he has a record of scoring highest number of centuries in T20Is. He scored fastest century in T20I, which came in just 35 balls against Sri Lanka. In the end, we all know him as a hitman because he is fond of hitting sixes. For kind your information, I would like to tell you that he takes only few matches to become the highest six hitter in international cricket. With this line, I would like to stop my topic. Thank you.